Nandito na naman tayo, ang iyong lingkod, si Happy Yuan Sampang. Nandito tayo sa McDo para sa bagong Happy Meal this month. Yippee! Ang Hello Kitty collab with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. 8 toys to collect siya. Tara, unbox na natin. Basta love ko talaga ang Happy Meal. First toy, Hello Kitty collab with Leonardo. Next toy, My Melody collab with Donatello. Then, Cinnamon Roll collab with Michelangelo. Ang cute! Then, Kuromi collab with Raphael. Then, My Melody collab with Leonardo. Next toy, Hello Kitty collab with Raphael. Then, Cinnamon Roll collab with Donatello. And last, Kuromi collab with Michelangelo. Ang cute! Ayan, kompleto na. May card palang kasama yan ha. Ang cute ng Happy Meal ngayon. Thank you for watching. See us again. Bye!